Welcome again on Igbo History TV. Kindly subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell for more updates. Popular commercial city in Nigeria. Aba, city of commerce and industry. The city of Aba is a popular commercial city in Nigeria, known for creativity and industry. It is located in the Igbo heartland, in southern Abia state, southeastern part of Igbo land. The Aba River runs through the city from Umuobo, on its way to the Imo River. It is at the meeting point of federal roads. The Enugu-Port Harcourt Expressway runs past Aba, after cutting from Umuahia, on its way to Nigeria's premier oil city, Port Harcourt. It connects the city to northern Nigeria. The Owerri-Aba Road connects Aba to the western part of Nigeria, and together with the Aba-Ikot-Epene Road, the city is connected to Ikot-Epene, Uyo and even Calabar, and in extension the Cameroons by road. Thus, the two highways could be simply described as Lagos or Benin Onitsha Owerri Aba Ikot-Epene Calabar routes, or Lagos Calabar routes. Aba, meaning plain land, was established by peoples of the Igbo tribe of the Igbo ethnic nationality as a market settlement. The city is also known as Enyimba. Local folklore suggests that the city was named so because a mystic elephant had led the founders of the town to the present location before its disappearance. The elephant has become used as a symbol for the Enyimba, as seen in statues in the city and logos pertaining to Aba. The British established a military garrison at Aba during the Aro expedition of 1901-1902. The city became the headquarters of the Aba division of the Owerri province. The Aba divisional territory covered the Opo Ala Igwa areas and parts of the Echi area. The city was given a nice urban planning by the British government. Aba was one of the capitals of Biafra during the Nigerian and Biafran Civil War. Aba today is a large market city with a very dense population. It is the second densely Igbo urbanity after Onitsha, with a population estimated at over 3 million people. The majority of the city's population are of the Igbo extraction, with the people from Igwa and Ndoki and Asa areas. Other parts of Abia State, Imo State, Anambra, Ebonyi and Enugu states, as well as Igbo-speaking populations from Rivers State, especially the Echi and Opobo. The Anang and Ibibio residents from nearby Akwa Ibom State are in significant numbers in the city too, followed by people from the northern, western and other parts of Nigeria. There are also people from other African and non-African nations resident in the city. Aba hosts a museum of colonial history at Obo Hill along Ikot-Epene Road. The city has several large markets, the most popular being the Ariaria International Market, which is West Africa's second largest market. Aba is also noted for its crafts industry, especially in the clothing, textiles, plastics and leather works. Made in Aba brand is popular for products made in Aba. The city is also a center for the distribution of imported merchandise. A source had revealed last month that 65% of imports at the Lagos ports headed for Aba and Onitsha. Products from the city are exported in significant quantities too. The bustling city is a place of hardworking and enterprising people, because of discouragement and derogatory remarks from other Nigerians, who have not even made efforts at production. Some products made in Aba are being branded made in Spain, Italy among others. You would be shocked to know that many amazing products you use were actually made in Aba if all Aba products would be branded made in Aba. Enyimba Football Club is a famous club from the city, named after the city's title. The Aba Stadium is also named Enyimba Stadium. Sadly, the amazing city of Aba had become plagued with many challenges over the years. Successive administrations had left the beautifully planned city to rot, even as all the federal roads leading to this promising city of industry are left in deplorable state and abandoned by the responsible authorities. The internal roads in the city are also in deplorable conditions, including some roads connecting the city to other parts of the state. As an industrial and market city, tons of waste are released every day. Waste has been poorly managed in Abia for a long period. Wastes are dumped on the medians of dualized roads. And sometimes, the refuse dumps occupy half of the roads. The poorly managed waste pose health threats to the members and polluting the air. Wastes are disposed in drainages and many houses have been built indiscriminately, further blocking the drainages and contributing to the flooding of roads. Already in deplorable conditions, traffic congestion is another issue in the city, partly because of bad road conditions and the city's density. The residents of Abia City have sadly adapted to these bad conditions, while Abia has continued to worsen, becoming a synonym for filth. In recent years, little or no efforts have been made about beautification and modern infrastructure in the city by the appropriate authority, and so the city may not be very appealing, aesthetically speaking. If the above problems listed above could be reduced, Abia would become a better hub for commerce and industry. The citizens also have roles to play towards making Abia become better. Abia, the Enyimba city, is an example and model of Akurolo, where the Igbo had channeled their industry, commerce and craft home. What else do you know about the amazing city of Abia? Drop your comment in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel.